creators, this is Cassie, aka the Crafting Chef, bringing you a quick tutorial on behalf of Sub This and That, home of the monthly sublimation box. For today's tutorial, I'm going to sublimate a label for this flash drive. We do sell these at Sub This and That, and so you get the disc and the 3M adhesive to attach it to the flash drive. So the first thing you want to do is remove the clear film. And then to take this over to my heat press, and I'm going to press it at 300. My heat press is at about 395 degrees, and I'm going to press it for 60 seconds. In the meantime, I'm going to take this adhesive stick that on here. And then peel off the backing. Let's peel that off. It's hot. Be very careful. I've peeled off the backing to expose the adhesive, which you should be able to see there. And once this cools, let's see. How cute. So I'm going to go ahead and place this here. And then I'll take my cloth and just push it in there. And there it is. My Sub This and That flash drive. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.